Hello everyone, a hearty welcome to Smiley Kids channel. In this video, we are going to deal with the topic operations on rational numbers. Before that, subscribe to our channel Smiley Kids. So let's get started. Addition of rational numbers. While solving addition of rational numbers, you need to remember these two cases. First case, same denominator. Second case, different denominators. So let's see a few examples on these two cases and let's try to solve the addition of rational numbers. Same denominator. Add -1/3 and 2/3. Here if you have observed, we are having the same denominators, that is 3. So when there are same denominators, we can just add the numerators. -1 plus 2/3. -1 plus 2 will be 1. 1/3. So, when we add -1/3 and 2/3, we get the answer as 1/3. Now, let's see another example. Add -2/6 and 8/6. So, here also we are having the same denominators, so we can simply add the numerators. -2 plus 8/6. -2 plus 8 will be equal to 6. 6/6 which is equal to 1. So when we add -2/6 and 8/6, we get the answer as 1. Now let's talk about the second case, different denominators. So here is our example. Add -1/2 and 2/3. Here we are having different denominators. They are 2 and 3. First, we need to take the LCM of 2 and 3 in order to make them equivalent rational numbers. LCM of 2 and 3 will be equal to 6. I have just multiplied 2 and 3 because they do not have any other common factor except 1. Now let's make these two rational numbers equivalent. -1/2 is equal to -1/2 multiplied by 3/3, which is equal to -3/6. 2/3 is equal to 2/3 multiplied by 2/2, which is equal to 4/6. Now we are having the same denominators. Now we will simply add the numerators. -3 plus 4/6. -3 plus 4 will be equal to 1. 1/6. Therefore, when we add -1/2 and 2/3, we get the answer as 1/6. Now let's see another example. Add 8/9 and -12/8. So here we are having different denominators. They are 9 and 8. So first, let's take the LCM of 9 and 8. The LCM of 9 and 8 will be equal to 72. Now let's convert these two rational numbers into equivalent rational numbers. 8/9 is equal to 8/9 multiplied by 8/8, which is equal to 64/72. -12/8 is equal to -12/8 multiplied by 9/9, which is equal to -108/72. Now we have got the equivalent rational numbers. So let's add the numerator since denominators are same. 64 plus minus 108 by 72, which will be equal to minus 44 by 72. Now let's simplify minus 44 by 72. 2 times 22, 2 times 36, 2 times 11, 2 times 18, which will be equal to minus 11 by 18. Therefore, when we add 8 by 9 and minus 12 by 8, we get the solution as minus 11 by 18. Additive inverse. What is additive inverse? A number which when added to the given number gives 0. For example, the additive inverse of p by q will be minus p by q. Let's see few examples. What is the additive inverse of 4 by 3? The additive inverse of 4 by 3 will be minus 4 by 3. Let's see another example. What is the additive inverse of minus 10 by 3? It will be 10 by 3. The additive inverse of minus 10 by 3 will be equal to 10 by 3. Subtraction of rational numbers. While subtracting any two rational numbers, you need to remember these two cases. Case 1, same denominators. Case 2, different denominators. So let's see few examples on these two cases. Same denominators. Subtract minus 1 by 3 and 2 by 3. Here we are having same denominators. So we will be simply subtracting the numerators. Minus 1 by 3 minus 2 by 3, which is equal to minus 1 minus 2 by 3. Minus 1 minus 2 will be equal to minus 3 by 3. Now we can simplify this rational number, which is equal to minus 1. Therefore, when we subtract minus 1 by 3 and 2 by 3, we get the solution as minus 1. Let's see another example on same denominators. Subtract minus 2 by 6 and 8 by 6. So here we are having the same denominator, so we will be simply subtracting the numerators. Minus 2 by 6 minus 8 by 6, which is equal to minus 2 minus 8 by 6. Minus 2 minus 8 will be equal to minus 10 by 6. We can simplify this rational number. So, 2 times 5, 2 times 3, which is equal to minus 5 by 3. Therefore, when we subtract minus 2 by 6 and 8 by 6, we get the solution as minus 5 by 3. Now let's see few examples on the second case, different denominators. Here is our example. Subtract minus 1 by 2 and 2 by 3. So here we are having different denominators. So first we need to make this different denominators into same denominators in order to subtract. So we'll be taking the LCM of 2 and 3, which is equal to 6. Now let's convert these two rational numbers into equivalent rational numbers. Minus 1 by 2 is equal to minus 1 by 2 multiplied by 3 by 3, which is equal to minus 3 by 6. Let's do the same for 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is equal to 2 by 3 multiplied by 2 by 2, which is equal to 4 by 6. Here we have got the equivalent rational numbers. So, we will be simply subtracting the numerators because denominators are same. Minus 3 minus 4 by 6. Minus 3 minus 4 will be equal to minus 7 by 6. Therefore, when we subtract minus 1 by 2 and 2 by 3, we get the solution as minus 7 by 6. Now let's see another example on different denominators. Subtract 8 by 9 and minus 12 by 8. So first we'll be taking the LCM of 9 and 8, which will be equal to 72. Now let's convert these two rational numbers into their equivalent rational numbers. 8 by 9 is equal to 8 by 9 multiplied by 8 by 8, which is equal to 64 by 72. Minus 12 by 8 is equal to minus 12 by 8 multiplied by 9 by 9, which is equal to minus 108 by 72. Here we go. We got the same denominators. So let's simply subtract the numerators. 64 minus 108 by 72, which will be equal to 172 by 72. 2 times 86, 2 times 36. We can further simplify this. 2 times 43, 2 times 18, which is equal to 43 by 18. So, therefore, when we subtract 8 by 9 and minus 12 by 8, we get the solution as 43 by 18. Multiplication of rational numbers. So here is one example. A by B multiplied by P by Q. How to multiply this? It's simple. Numerator into numerator by denominator multiplied by denominator, which is equal to A multiplied by P by B multiplied by Q. Let's see few examples. Multiply 8 by 7 and 5 by 6. 8 by 7 multiplied by 5 by 6 is equal to 8 multiplied by 5 by 7 multiplied by 6. Now tell me, 8 multiplied by 5 will be how much? 8 multiplied by 5 is 40 by 7 times 6. 7 into 6 will be 42. So our rational number is 40 by 42. But wait, we need to simplify this. 2 times 20, 2 times 21, which is equal to 20 by 21. Therefore, when we multiply 8 by 7 and 5 by 6, we get the solution as 20 by 21. Let's see another example. Multiply minus 10 by 8 and 1 by 6. Minus 10 by 8 multiplied by 1 by 6 is equal to minus 10 multiplied by 1 by 8 multiplied by 6. Minus 10 multiplied by 1 is minus 10 by 8 multiplied by 6 is 48. We need to simplify. 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 24 is 48, which is equal to minus 5 by 24. Therefore, when we multiply minus 10 by 8 and 1 by 6, we get the solution as minus 5 by 24. Multiplicative inverse. What is multiplicative inverse? For every non-zero rational number a by b, there exists the reciprocal rational number b by a such that a by b multiplied by b by a is equal to 1. Let me give you few examples. 5 by 6. This is the rational number. What is the reciprocal of this rational number? It is 6 by 5. So when we multiply these two rational numbers, we get the answer as 1. So what can we conclude here? For any non-zero rational number, when we multiply that rational number with its reciprocal, then we will get the answer as 1. This is the multiplicative inverse. Let's see few more examples. Minus 2 by 3. This is the rational number. What will be the reciprocal of this rational number? It is minus 3 by 2. When you multiply these two, we get the answer as 1. This is multiplicative inverse. Division of rational numbers. For dividing any two rational numbers, we require a method. Before that, let me tell you the secret code. It is LCF. You might be wondering, what is LCF? L stands for leave me, C stands for change me, and F stands for flip me. So here is our example. Minus 1 by 3 divided by 2 by 3. So now let's apply our secret code LCF. LCF. L is for minus 1 by 3. C is for division symbol. And F is for 2 by 3. So let's apply them. L stands for leave me, so you have to write it as it is. C stands for change me, so we need to change this division symbol into multiplication symbol. And what do you mean by F? It's flip me, so you need to reciprocal 2 by 3. You need to flip it. What will it be? It will be 3 by 2. And hope you all remember the multiplication of rational numbers. Minus 1 multiplied by 3 is minus 3 by 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. So we got the answer as minus 3 by 6. But this is not final. You need to simplify. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6, which is equal to minus 1 by 2. So when we divide minus 1 by 3 and 2 by 3, we get the answer as minus 1 by 2. Let's see few more examples. Divide minus 2 by 6 and 8 by 6. So do not forget the code LCF. Okay. Now let's solve this. Minus 2 by 6 divided by 8 by 6. Apply the LCF. So, L is for minus 2 by 6. So, leave it as it is. C is for division symbol. So, change it into multiplication. Division symbol will be changed to multiplication symbol. And F is for 8 by 6. So, flip the number. It will be 6 by 8. Now, we will be multiplying these two rational numbers. Minus 2 multiplied by 6 gives us minus 12 by 6 multiplied by 8 gives us 48. Right? And this is not the final answer. We have to further simplify. 2 times 6 is 12. 2 times 24 is 48. We can further simplify, right? 6 times 1, 6 times 4 is 24, right? Which will be equal to minus 1 by 4. Therefore, when we divide minus 2 by 6 and 8 by 6, we get the solution as minus 1 by 4. Let's see another example. Divide 1 by 4 and 2 by 3. 1 by 4 divided by 2 by 3. Apply LCF. Right? Leave me, change me, flip me. Now we will multiply. 1 times 3 is 3 by 4 times 2 is 8, which is equal to 3 by 8. Therefore, when we divide 1 by 4 and 2 by 3, we get the answer as 3 by 8. Let's see another example. Divide 8 by 9 and minus 12 by 8. 8 by 9 divided by minus 12 by 8. Apply LCF. Leave me, change me, flip me. Right? Now we will be multiplying. 8 multiplied by minus 8 will give us minus 64 by 9 times 12 will be 108. And this is not the final answer. We can simplify it further. 2 times 32, right? 2 times 54. 2 times 16. 2 times 27, which will be equal to minus 16 by 27. Therefore, when we divide 8 by 9 and minus 12 by 8, we get the solution as minus 16 by 27. Hope you all enjoyed this session. In the next video, we are going to cover the next topics of rational numbers. Till then, stay tuned. And do not forget to subscribe to our channel, Smiley Kids. Thank you.